Be someone the media loves. How can you do that? I'll give you some hints. Any of these folks who are interviewing you, whether they be TV, print, radio, internet media, bloggers, podcasters, you name it, they all have some level of work associated with getting ready for your interview. And that might be gathering photographs, it might be figuring out who you've helped, who your clients are, or even figuring out what you might say in an interview. And the more you help them with this and make their life easier, the more they love you before you ever showed up. So if it's photographs, suggest what you might have that could be a little bit better for their piece. If you want to recommend clients that they can talk to, if that would help, recommend it. And when it comes to what you might say in an interview, a great technique is offering up a possible Q&A. That's what I call it. Not suggested. That means they must use it. But if you say possible Q&A, you can write your own questions. You can write out pretty much what you might say, and you give it to them. And guess what? Like magic, they end up using many of those questions. It's amazing. So you can use that technique, and also being somebody the media loves, make sure you go out there and you do a great job in the interview, give lots of value to their audience, and bring that A game.